How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey overnight, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So a hickey is just a bruise, you guys. It's called a hickey, it's called a love bite. Both of those literally is just a fancy name of calling a bruise. It's literally just a bruise. Because we know that, it makes it very, very easy to get rid of it. So what you need to do with a bruise, what'll happen is if you leave it alone, you do absolutely nothing, within about 5 to 7 days, it'll go away by itself. So it will go away naturally. You don't have to do anything. A lot of people don't want that though for 5 to 7 days. They want to get rid of it right now, instantly. What you need to do is you need, wherever the hickey is, you need to get a spoon. Go inside your kitchen, get a spoon. Let's say the hickey's right here. Most hickeys, 90% of them are on the neck. So if it's right here, you're gonna rub back and forth like this. Moderate amount of pressure, don't push too hard, don't push too light, but moderate amount of pressure, and just go like this, back and forth. Put a timer on your phone for about 4 to 5 minutes. Literally 4 to 5 minutes straight. You have to rub it. Why does this work? When we are rubbing it, we are creating blood flow. Just like if you're sore, you get a massage, that massage is putting blood flow into the area. That's why if you have, if you're sore, aches and pains, a massage does help. You're getting blood flow to the area. And that's exactly what we're doing with this. Again, pretend this is a spoon. Rubbing it back and forth, it will create blood flow. And that will literally, after 4 to 5 minutes, that hickey will be gone. I guarantee you. If it's not 100% gone, it'll probably be 80 to 90% gone. If that's the case, then just rub it for an extra minute or two and it'll be gone. That's all you have to do. One thing is the area surrounding the hickey is going to be red. That's normal because you literally just rubbed it for 5 minutes. That's normal. About 10 minutes, leave it alone and that redness will be gone. So that's how you get rid of a hickey. Super, super easy. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.